I love being a nurse. It's an exciting job. It's incredibly stimulating. It's technical. You get to do new things in many different scenarios. LPNs get a really wide scope of skills, and we're able to work in a lot of different areas. The schooling itself is 2 years, so maybe you're looking for a really good, thorough experience, but you're not quite willing to commit to the full 4 years. Somebody who likes a collaborative work setting. We get an opportunity to work with other incredible healthcare professionals, many of which go to school for a really long time, have a lot of expertise, and we get to work together very closely with them, all in the name of client outcomes and clients' best interests. As for what makes a good nurse, there's a lot of things. Certainly there's a technical aspect, skills and thinking and administering medications, all serious things, and it's important to be able to do those well. But the truth is, a lot of people could be trained to do those kinds of things, hanging up an IV bag, doing a dressing, but it's those other intangibles, those people that are coming from a point of caring, highly empathetic, the people that can really connect with somebody and give them what they need the most when they need it. Those are the people that get remembered.